Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the REALME country and registration date of your REALME C71. Okay, so we are on the IMEI.info page. You can see the link right in here. And now we need to type the IMEI number of our device in this bar right here. If you don't know how to find your IMEI number, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you all possible options on this site. And also in the same video I'm showing you how to find the IMEI number on your REALME C71. So if you want, you can look for it. So once you have typed your IMEI number, we need to click on that button next to it, check IMEI. Now we have our REALME C71. We need to scroll down a little bit. In here we can also see some basic information about our device, but we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find the basic checks. They are completely for free. And the first option from the top is REALME country and registration date. So that's the thing that we want to get. So simply click and now click on this blue button, check REALME country and registration date. We need to wait up to 20 seconds, but it should be faster than that. Okay, now we have our result for our IMEI number. So we need to scroll down, and here you can also see some information. And below we have the manufacturing date, material number, project number, and the sales region, and also the phone status. You can see all the information right in here. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.